All right, so we're gonna do number 5 now, which I've got down here in the corner. And for number 5, I just created a new folder because I'm getting kind of a lot of these and I moved all my stuff into that folder. So now when I create number 5, I'm gonna open that folder, which is ISOBLOX-BASIC. I'm just gonna create document, and that should open in the folder. So ISOBLOX5. And there's a couple ways to do this, but the first way I'm gonna do it is I'm gonna draw the big box. So I did a sketch on that front plane, and I'm drawing the box that is going to be dimensioned to be 6 by 9. So dimension, 9 here and 6 over here. And I'm going to zoom out. And I'm also going to cut 2 boxes out in the corner. So I'm going to have a box here that is 2 by 2. 2 by 2, and I'm going to have another box that is here that is 1 by 2. As you can see, I snapped onto the middle, so this is 1 already. And then I have this one here, which will be 2. And then I don't even have to trim this. I can if I want, but I showed you on the last drawing how to do that, so I'm just going to go to isometric. And I'm going to finish the sketch. I'm going to go over here to extrude. And I have to pick what I want to extrude because there's 3 things I could extrude. So I'm going to pick this section only. And that section only is going to go out 6. Okay. Now I've got to start cutting stuff out. So I've got to cut like that front section out first, so I can kind of pick and choose what I want to do. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a sketch on the front, right like that, and I'm going to do 2 rectangles to cut out big portions. So 1 rectangle is going to be on this top edge, and 1 rectangle is going to be in this bottom corner, like so. The first rectangle is going to be 1 inch from the edge, and it is going to be 2 inches tall. And since it's going over, I don't need to do anything else. And then here, the section is just going to be 2 inches wide. And since I already have it touching the other section, it should be fine. Except this shouldn't be 2. I'm just looking at the picture again. This is actually going to be 3. 3. Okay, there we go. And we're going to hit finish sketch. And I'm going to extrude this section and this section. If I go to isometric, I want to remove. And we are removing 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to cut out 4. And hit enter. So right there removes 4. Looking pretty good. The last cut I have to do, I'm going to do basically the same procedure. Make a sketch on the front. And then I just have to do 2 boxes, 1, 2. And then with those 2 boxes, this is 1 inch from wide. It is 1 inch from here. And over on this section, it is 2 wide. And I don't have to worry about the height or anything. That is already taken care of. And I am going to extrude it. Just quickly hit remove. It already auto selected it for me. And I'm going to extrude that in 3. So we're going to do 3. We're going to hit check. And we are all done with ISO block number 5.